Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Jaguar XF service light. First, ensure your vehicle's ignition is on, but the engine is not running. You will need to locate two key buttons, the rear fog lamp button and the trip computer cycle button, usually found on the end of the indicator stalk. Before starting, please make sure all your vehicle's doors are closed for a smooth process. This quick reset will help keep your maintenance reminders accurate. Now, let's begin the reset sequence. First, press and hold the rear fog lamp button for about 3 seconds. While still holding it, briefly press the start-stop button for approximately half a second, just enough to see the Jaguar logo appear on your display. The moment you see the logo, release both the rear fog lamp and start-stop buttons simultaneously. Precision in timing is key here. Moving swiftly, immediately press and hold the trip computer button located on your indicator stalk. Then, without delay, also press and hold the rear fog lamp button. You should now be holding both buttons down. Keep them pressed for a duration of about 10 to 15 seconds. During this time, your vehicle's display should show a message indicating resetting service mode. Continue holding both buttons until you see the message Service Mode Reset appear on your vehicle's display. This confirms the reset is complete. Once this message is visible, you can release both the trip computer and rear fog lamp buttons. Finally, turn off your vehicle's ignition, then restart it to verify that the service light has been successfully cleared. Congratulations, you've reset your service reminder.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.